conducting class 2 abacus class. Again I am repeating, I am conducting now class 2 abacus class. Today onwards we will start to revise. Okay, आज के থেকে আমরা কি করব? We will do the revision. Already I had sent two worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. Okay, two worksheets. You will practice that two worksheet 1 for addition and subtraction using the abacus scale and using finger gym, and next one you can see the small answers. Okay, so you will do and submit me in the classroom by tomorrow. Okay, now we will start to practice from page number 5. We will start to do revision from page number 5. Everybody from 4A book, open page number 5, number 7, 8. After I will start to practice from number 9. Okay, plus 9 minus 5 plus 4 minus 6, answer 2. Again plus 1 plus 7 minus 7 plus 5, answer 5. Again plus 1 plus 7 minus 7 plus 4 plus 5 minus 1, answer 5. Next plus 38 plus 38, then minus 6 plus 4 minus 15, answer 21. Answer 21. Next 78 minus 6 plus 4 plus 3, answer 79. Number 13, 19 minus 6 plus 80 plus 4, answer 97. 46 plus 2 minus 37 plus 4, answer 15. Number 15, plus 40 plus 43 plus 14 minus 27, answer 70. Come to page number 6. The rest of the sum that I have not done, I am doing that one. Okay, come to page number 6. Plus 3 plus 3 minus 5 plus 2, answer 3. Plus 8 minus 1 minus 5 plus 3, answer 5. 19 minus 16 plus 33 plus 23, answer 59. Next plus 8 minus 6 plus 3 plus 1, answer 6. Plus 44 plus 23 minus 17 plus 40, answer 90. Answer 90. Next plus 7 minus 5 plus 3 plus 2, answer 7. Next, now come to number 11. Okay, plus 24 plus 2 minus 21 plus 50, answer 55. Number 12, 19 minus 8 plus 12 plus 2. Again I am doing this where there is an I think there is a confusion. Again we will do number 12. Plus 19 minus 8 plus 12 plus 2, answer 25. Number 13, 64 plus 2 minus 65 plus 3. Answer 4. Answer 4. Again plus 36 plus 2 minus 25 plus 3. Answer 16. I am doing number 13 again. Plus 64 plus 2 minus 65 plus 3. Answer 4. Okay, now number 15. Plus 63 minus 51 plus 3 plus 12. Answer 27. Come to number 16. Plus 41 plus 30 plus 2 plus 3. Answer 76. Again plus 41 plus 30 plus 50 minus 20 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. Answer 76. Number 17. 84 plus 3 minus 62 plus 30. Plus 30 how will you do? Plus 50 minus 20. Answer 55. Number 18. Plus 34 plus 3 minus 11 plus 1 27. Answer 27. Number 19. Plus 52 plus 1 plus 13 plus 13 how will I do? Plus again plus 52 plus 1 plus 13 plus 5 minus 2 plus 2. Answer 68. Next plus 13 plus 3 minus 5 plus 20. Answer 31. Come to page number 7. Look at from number 90, number 9. I am doing from number 9. Plus 4 plus 5 minus 5 plus 1. Answer 5. Plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. Answer 9. Again plus 33. Sorry, plus yes plus 33 plus 15 plus 10 minus 6 minus 8. Answer 50. Next plus 27 plus 2 minus 15 plus 1. Answer 15. Number 13. Plus 31 plus 3 plus 11 minus 35. Answer 10. Number 14. Plus 22 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Answer 28. Next plus 44 plus 1 plus 3 minus 7. Answer 41. Again plus 44 plus 1 plus 3 minus 7. Answer 41. Next plus 84 plus 1 plus 2 minus 5. Answer 82. Next plus 68 minus 15 plus 21. Again 68 minus 15 plus 21 plus 11, answer 85. Answer 85. Again once more number 17 plus 68 minus 15 plus 21 plus 11, answer 85. Number 18 plus 74 plus 21 minus 15 plus 14, answer 59. Next plus 26 plus 3 minus 10 minus 14, answer 55. Again answer 5 plus 26 plus 3 minus 10 minus 14, answer 5. Again plus number 20 plus 54 plus 1 plus 23 minus 7, answer 71. Answer 71. Now come to page number 8. From number 39 doing revision, okay? Plus 55 plus 33 minus 77 plus 44 again just make plus 55 plus 33 minus 77 plus 44. Plus 40 means plus 50 minus 10 plus 4. How can I do? Plus 5 minus 1. So the answer is 55. Next plus 65 minus 15 plus 25 plus 22, answer 97. Next plus 41 minus 13 plus 64 minus 15, answer 60. Plus 78 minus 26 plus 33 minus 55, 30 plus 41 minus 30 plus 63 minus 51, answer 23. Number 18 plus 65 minus 15 plus 25 plus 22, answer 97. Number 19 plus 28 plus 50 minus 23 plus 10, answer 65. Answer 65. Number 20 plus 33 plus 15 minus 10 minus 26, answer 12. Okay. Now come to page number 9. Number 13 plus 27 minus 5 plus 13 minus 5, answer 30. Next plus 82 plus 14 minus 15 plus minus 2, again once more plus 82 plus 14 plus 5 minus 1 minus 15, done. Now plus 3 done. So the answer is 84. Next, plus 48 minus 25 plus 14 minus 2. Answer 35. Next, number 16. Plus 10 plus 45 plus 50 minus 10 plus 5 plus 33 minus 60. Answer 72. Next, plus 55 plus 33 minus 26 plus 13. Answer 75. Next, plus 86 plus 3 minus 5 plus 2. Answer 86. Next, plus 54 plus 33 minus 31 plus 10. Answer 66. Next, plus 33 plus 15 plus 10 minus 8. Answer 50. Okay. Now come to next pages. That onwards we will start to practice from abacus scale. So on the next class, as I told you that when I will complete the book, I will start to do the division from the rest of the sums. I am doing that. If anything has been left, you will do by yourself. Already I have sent the answers of these pages. Check it and correct it. Okay, and follow the pattern. Okay, learn the classes. And I expect that today you will send the worksheet. I just told you the worksheet. Today I will send you the picture of the worksheet with the answer. You will check it and send me tomorrow by 10 p.m. Okay. After the class, I am sending the answers of the worksheet. I expect by tomorrow 10 p.m. I will get all the worksheets. Okay. And I will upload one more worksheet after tomorrow. So children, bye bye. Take care.